Hey Candace, do you wanna go get some lunch?
Sure, Brendan. Let's go to Burger King.
Okay.
Phew, coast is clear. Now time to create a fake emergency alerts broadcast.
Attention all residents of Gunner, California, we are here to notify you that a group of gunmen are abducting tens of kids in the Floral Bay neighborhood. Please stay in your homes, lock your doors, close all curtains, turn out the lights, and hide in a very unusual place because the gunmen are now breaking into people's homes and killing them. This is a very concerning situation, so people please take this very seriously. Oh no, the gunmen have reported to have killed approximately 231 people. Please hide. Oh no.
They're in the office.
Ha 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 ha. Oh no, it's Candace and Brendan.
Hey! Little girl, what are you doing in here?
Wait a minute, no one but you was in the room while the emergency alert system was going on, was it you? Spill it out, Dora, spill it out.
Well, I have a confession to make. I broke in your office while you were going to lunch and pressed the emergency alerts button. It was just supposed to be a prank.
Dora, I can't believe you did that. That's it. I will put you on the news and call your parents and then you'll be grounded.
No, please, I'm so sorry.
Hello, Gerald. Yeah, please send the news crew up here. Yeah, the 12th floor. Okay, thanks, bye.
I am here at the GNN headquarters at the recording room, where Dora has created a fake emergency broadcast. Yes, that alert with the child abduction was fake. Now the camera is zooming into the two bosses of this room, Candace, Caroline, and Brendan Jacoby.
Well, we were going to Burger King and was watching the televisions in the TV shop, and all of a sudden, the alert went out and we ran so fast back to the station.
And we missed going to Burger King. I was going to order a double Whopper sandwich, and Candace was going to order a 4-cheese Whopper. But now we can't.
Oh no, not on me. What? I'm sorry everyone who had distributed the fake emergency. Mom, Dad, and Abuela, please don't ground me.
To the parents and families of Dora, you will be paying $400,000 to GNN's radio station for falsely reporting an emergency and breaking into our office. We're going right now.
Dora. I cannot believe you made a fake emergency alert system embracing into GNN apostrophe SE office and making us pay $400,000.
Texted you grounded for 9287749991934543124. These.
Taxi Dora, Cotoyo Roman Sled for 191 43 77 44 89 25 88 47 01 23. Where?